Let's begin in a child's pose. With your knees as wide as comfortable, walk your hands out long in front of you and rest your forehead and your chest down towards the mat. Make your way to downward facing dog. And feel free to pedal out your legs or take any other movement that serves you. And when you're ready, walk your feet forward, a deep forward fold near the top of your mat. Separate your feet hip distance or even wider, then bend your knees to release your lower back so you can sink further into the fold. For a chest expansion, interlace your hands behind your lower back and press your knuckles up towards the ceiling. And feel how your breath manipulates this pose. Now release your hands. Toe heel your feet together to touch, or if you're modifying, you can keep your feet hip distance. Slide your hands up your shins and press your heart forward for a halfway lift. The idea here is you want a nice long flat back. Roll your shoulders open, pinch your shoulder blades together behind you. Don't tense up, breathe. 3, 2, 1. Forward fold. Now with a generous bend in your knees, pull your lower belly in and slowly unroll all the way up to standing. When you come all the way up, reach your arms overhead for a mountain pose. Anchor your weight down through your feet so you can stand tall through the crown of your head. Shoulders stay soft, but your arms are strong. Open your arms up to the right as you turn your chin to the right for an open arm twist. Now come back to mountain pose and let's open arm twist to the left. Reach your left arm back, right arm forward, hips stay square to the top of your mat. Then come back to mountain pose. Remember, shoulders are soft. For a mini back bend, bend both elbows open like cactus arms and lift up through your heart. Inhale to your mountain pose. Then bring your hands together at heart center for Samastitihi. Find a breath that allows you to be completely and totally present within your body. And maintain that breath as you interlace your hands behind your lower back. Then take your hands to your left side body, so you're wrapping your right arm around behind you, your left elbow pokes out from your side. Lower your left ear towards your left shoulder. You'll feel a gentle opening through your trap. You're welcome to make this a static posture, just hang out here. Or make it a bit dynamic by lifting and lowering your chin, noticing any sticky areas that you want to breathe into. Draw your chin back up to center. Then switch sides. Take your hands to your right side body. Right elbow pokes out from your side. Your left arm's wrapped around behind you. Inhale, stand up tall. Exhale, right ear to your right shoulder. Breathe. And stay still if you did on the other side. Or add a little bit of movement. Notice if you can feel your breath within the sensation. And draw your chin back to center. Release your hands down by your sides. Inhale to mountain pose. Reach your arms overhead. As you exhale, forward fold. Hinge at your hips. Lead with your heart. Bend your knees. Find one more halfway lift. Slide your hands up your shins and press your heart forward. And then make your way back into downward facing dog. And then come to stand on your knees for camel pose. With your knees hip distance, place your hands on your lower back like you're trying to slide your fingers into your back pockets. Then use your hands to tuck your tailbone under, lengthening out your lower back. Inhale to lift up through your heart, just like when you were in that mini back bend. Then as you exhale, roll your shoulders open, lifting your chin up towards the ceiling. And feel free to stay here or take this as deep as you'd like to go, knowing that you can eventually take your hands down to your ankles. But most important is that your hips are pushing forward. Your heart is lifting up. For 3, 2, 1. Gently and mindfully take a seat on your heels and shift your weight over to one side to swing your legs out around in front of you for a seated forward fold. You're welcome to give a gentle bend to your knees if it allows you to walk your hips out from underneath you. Flex your toes back towards your face, then inhale to lengthen your spine, and exhale to hinge from your hips to fold your long spine over your legs. Use your breath to create length and find depth. Slowly rise. Pull your knees together and come to lie down on your back for a full wind pose. With your hands on your shins, hold your thighs towards your chest and feel your lower back relax. For half wind, extend your left leg straight, long down on the mat. And then adding a twist, extend your right arm straight out from your side. Using your left hand, pull your knee across your body. And feel your inhales lengthening out your right side body. Exhales allow you to soften further into the twist. Make your way back to center and pull both knees in for full wind pose. Take a big breath in and out. Then switch sides. Extend your right leg long, down on the mat. Reach your left arm straight out from your side. Then pull your knee across your body into your deep spinal twist and trust your body to just melt into place. Inhales lengthening your left side body. Exhale, softening and melting deeper into the mat. Then make your way back to center. Pull both knees into your chest. And feel your lower back relax. Reset and soften. Namaste.